So my friend Renee got the new mini Starlink, which is only $50 a month if you only want 50 gigs, and it's $165 a month for unlimited gigs. And I've got my friend here, David, who is my nomad splainer, to tell us how this is gonna work.
So you either chose me because I look exactly like Leonardo DiCaprio, or because if I can do it, any idiot can do it.
Exactly. So let's open this puppy up.
This plan that Renee has is $50 a month. I believe the equipment cost was around $500. I actually
$600.
$600.
Yeah. You can also pause and unpause the service at any time. And if you go over the 50 gig monthly limit, Starlink charges an extra $1 per gigabyte.
I actually, ooh, look at this. Package really nice.
Wow.
Instructions on the cover. And I bet you these are probably the only instructions. All right, let's see if we can follow them. Throw that there.
Oh, it's cute.
So, got that.
There is something in here.
Got that. Yeah, we don't read instructions. We got a little Hoover. I got to tell you, the quality of this thing looks crazy good. This is, I feel like I'm working with an iPhone.
Oh. It comes with an AC plug-in, but you can get a DC cigarette lighter attachment that will work with solar. That's an extra that you have to buy. I'll put links in the description for all this stuff.
Comes with two adapters. One is a kickstand adapter that holds it at an angle, and then the other one is a pole adapter. And what you do is you just grab this and pull that straight out, and it comes out, and then this one here pushes straight in. And now you can hook it up to a pipe, and notice how when you do hook it up to a pipe, it'll be at an angle.
Oh, nice. Renee wants to attach it to her roof, so she bought a Starlink Mini Roof mount. It's magnetic, and you use it with the pipe adapter that is included in the Starlink box.
Oh wow! They even include a wrench. Okay, and there we go. We got a tripod, a magnetic tripod with a pole. You would put the pole adapter into the Starlink. The cord would go up here and connect to the Starlink antenna, and then you can mount this to anything ferrous, anything metal. So what you would do is you take your connection and you run it up through here, and then you run it through here, and then this is going to plug in there.
Oh, and then
this here goes in there. We back off our little screw here till we get enough room, and then it's a sweet little setup here. We do that, and then there we go.
Nice. Oh yeah. And so that
and she could put this on her roof.
That's a magnet that will go on anything. And now, can you drive and that'll stay on your roof?
Yes, you can. And then also, I think Renee also told me that if you mount it to the side of your bus like this, so it's tilted, you know, up towards the sky, that'll also work. Oh,
wow, that's really stuck on there.
Oh, you know what? You could just loosen this. Okay.
But it's not north anymore.
Well, they don't know that. I think I would be willing to bet that, well, first off, you remember mine where it articulated? This one doesn't articulate.
Right.
So, and the reason why they used to articulate is because it would have to find a satellite. There's so many satellites out there now that this is going to pick up.
It doesn't have to.
Yeah, it doesn't have to point and track one.
And it's going to be on top.
Yeah, and it's going to be on top.
But how are you going to get it off now? It's really stuck on there.
Off.
Yeah.
It'll come.
just, but see what I mean?
Oh, okay.
See, it's
So David, thank you so much for helping us. Starlink is super easy. You're a wonderful nomad explainer, but even though it's super easy, I would probably still have to watch a YouTube video.
Yeah, it's easy. I think anybody can do it except you.
Thank you, David. Okay, like and subscribe, and I have some great videos coming up.
and it's on.
It's on.
That's it.
So go to our website and see.
Okay.
No porn.
Sorry? Data usage. No what?
I said no porn.
No porn.
Oh. Thanks. See, I didn't even change
we
the
don't want to.
nickname.
We don't want to.
I already,
We don't want any kind of craziness on camera. Here.
I already changed
Are
the
you gonna
nickname.
put? Are you gonna put in a website or not?
It's done. It's
Oh.
already hooked up. It's running.
No. Go to a website. Go to like
Oh, a website.
a website. Like
Oh.
go to.
Okay, I'm on board.
Go to
YouTube, Nan
go
in
to
a
YouTube,
Van.
Nan in a Van.
Okay. Nana Van. Yes.
Let's see if it works.
That's a fancy phone you got. You must be rich.
My son's. Oh, well. There's.
Okay, go.
Okay. Besides.
Okay.
You can keep your glasses on.
Why?
Before you didn't have your glasses on.
Okay.
Do you want your glasses on?
I don't care. What
Okay.
do you think I should have them on or off?
Well, you're squinting otherwise.
Oh yeah, no. I gotta have them on. At Mount Charleston? No more.
It's
When
been
this-
running.
No more.
Okay.
I won't do the song.
Oh my God, this
Thank
would be probably the best video of our outtakes. Okay. What was I gonna say? Okay.
Something right into it.
Okay, shoot. Okay. I don't hear the beep.